Hey y'all, it's Captain Shane, Gripperless Fishing. Today is December the 26th, 2022. Had that Arctic blast or whatever, that big cold front that's come through. I haven't fished since about 2 weeks before Christmas or so this will be my first trip out. Today, I'm gonna fish some of my wintertime ponds, y'all. I haven't hit these ponds at all. This is usually some of my wintertime places I fish when the water gets low. And these redfish pull in these ponds, and there'll be schools of them in here. I haven't been in here at all. The water temperature is about 41. The air temperature is around 30 or so right now. But we don't have any clouds in the sky today. We have hardly any wind. The fishing should be pretty good. So y'all stick around. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video and share it if you want to. And let's get started. Everyone I've seen this pond today, except for one, has been a giant. I haven't seen any small one. Oh, I've seen one small one in here today. I can't believe. Now I just dropped that fly right in front of that fish. Finally. Jeez. Finally. I was about to say now, I dropped that fly right in front of him. If he didn't pick it up. That's another good one. Finally got one to eat and hold on to it. If you don't know, y'all, try to grab your fly line instead of grabbing your rod, because you don't want to break your rod. And he came off. That's fine. I'm sorry y'all didn't get to see him, but he made one last little tug right there and came off. He broke my hook. You know what's crazy, y'all? Let me show y'all the fly. That is the second time I've had a hook break on that same exact fly right there. The second time. That same exact fly, the hook is broke twice. I can't believe it. So he's just got a little bitty piece of the hook in him. So it'll come out or rust out pretty quick. But that's twice now, that same fly that I've broke hooks on it. We'll get another fly and get back out there, y'all. I'm gonna swap. Going to another little crab imitation right here. There's another one right here. Got him. Boy, this redfish, this pond is full of redfish today, y'all. Full of them. He's not fighting hard because the water's so cold. But he's a pretty good size one. My pond is absolutely loaded with redfish today. First time I've been in here all year, y'all. This is one of my wintertime ponds. I normally don't even fish it till wintertime, and it is loaded with redfish. There's a big one right there. All right, let's see if this one don't break the hook, hopefully, like the last one did. All right. There we go. There we go, y'all, if anybody's even watching me. Finally got one in the boat. I've seen, I don't know how many now, a whole lot. All right, y'all, let's get him back in the water. He's gone. Apologize about that, YouTube. I don't think I got the hook up on camera. I think I had my chest camera off. But we just hooked into a small bull right here. I'm gonna pole down just so this wind don't blow me back across the pond. And it's a pretty good one. This is a pretty big one. Yeah, this one's gonna be, I'm guessing 30 something inches. Ugh. This one, a little over 33 inches, y'all. Anybody's watching? There you go, YouTube. Anybody's watching, that one's a little over 33. Yeah, oh, there's several of them right here, y'all. There was about, from what I could see, I saw about 4 right there. They weren't all in one tight. They weren't in a tight little group. They were kind of scattered right there, feeding on that flat. Number 12, y'all. I gotta get out of this pond. I want to go hit some of these bays and maybe try to get on a bull or two. That's the fly in his mouth, y'all. There you go, YouTube. All right. Fly came right out. Another 29 and a half incher. I think that's what I just caught, wasn't it? Was a 29 and a half. All right. I got one right here by the boat, y'all. He's ate at it a couple times and missed it every time. He finally got it. I really don't like when they're that close to the boat. But he was being so aggressive, I knew he was gonna eat it. Here you go, YouTube.